Hey y'all, Mama Snark here. It is our Christmas vlog for 2022. It's Christmas Eve, and we're about to make some hot chocolate bombs.
Let's wait until the milk's ready.
We're pretty much just having a low-key hangout in our jammies and princess dresses Christmas Eve. This video is probably not going to come out until the spring after the Disney vlog, but this is more of just home video purposes for us. So yeah, come on. All right, man cubs first. All right, you gotta stir it up, okay? And it's gonna melt the hot chocolate. Uh-huh.
Hey.
My Disney cup. Hold on, Louise, it's hot. Okay. Good job. It's got marshmallows. Here, hold it at the bottom. On the rubber part. There you go. Oh, careful. It's going to be hot. Do you pop it or you just stir?
You pop it.
I don't know how these work.
Just stir it. And it'll pop and melt.
Mine's turning hot chocolate.
The beans. Edit to add, it is 30 degrees outside in Louisiana, and we're not used to this freezing cold weather. Hey, Bubba. It was 80 degrees last Christmas.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, how hot can I turn mine?
It's good to drink, Bubba. You can drink it.
Okay,
It's probably a good temp for them, though. So I came back in the kitchen to put my cup in the sink, and I see him drinking with the silicone pot holders from the Instapot. Your cup was too hot. Makes it so you could drink your hot chocolate.
And I can't hold the rubber part anymore.
You can hold the silver part now. You're so cute.
Alright, good. Don't get any shells in.
Oh gosh.
Right now. Can you separate it? Pull the shell apart. Pull it apart.
About to have shells all up in them cookies.
Put your thumb right there on the shell. Pull it apart. You did it.
Oh goodness.
Alexa, cancel.
That one looks like a turtle.
Is a snowflake.
Did you put together your board? Good morning, Zaggy doll. Oh, straighten the legs. She's like shoving me back. Look at that tail wag. Look at that tail wag. Hey, did Santa bring you something, Zaggy doll? I don't think Santa forgot you. Yeah, you've been a good girl. You've been a good girl this year. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Is that why you are frisky, Zaggy dog? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Oh, sweet old girl. I think you've been a good girl this year. Santa Claus brought you something too. You snuck in on me! Good morning! What is... Hold on, we gotta go get your brother before you can mess with stuff. Who's in there? Who's in there, Weezer? Look at that hair. We gotta go get your brother, Wheeze. We gotta go get your brother.
Go get him. Tell him to get up.
Okay.
I'm trapped.
Come. Wake up.
Let's go get him. Oh, gently, gently. Santa came!
Santa came.
I think Santa brought you something. Were you a good boy, buddy? You must have been.
Go see what he brought.
Coffee's over here getting cold. My whipped cream melted. Hi, Beans. Are you a good girl? Did you get him something for Santa Claus? Yeah. Well, I better be, huh? Because she's going to bowl you over.
Wow.
He's still not awake. He's heavy blinking. Hey. What's that, Bubba? What's that at the bottom? Look under the monster trucks. What is that?
It's Minecraft Lego.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
It is?
Telling Santa.
But it doesn't have things.
Look closer, does it?
Wait a minute. This is them there.
Who's that?
Wait a minute.
Who's that? That's Steve? Is that just what you wanted? You are such a good boy. All right. What did you get, Wheeze?
Airplane.
I need to put a clip in your hair. You can't even see. Who was in the airplane? This one's just in my face.
Oh, Santa didn't finish his cookies.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It eats all things.
You want a
Christmas
couple?
goodness.
Oh my God, I left a couple out for him because you guys went to bed before giving him some cookies. He left some. Let's see if the girls want the rest of them. I'll only after Santa. Girls, Santa cookie. What?
Creature report. Creature report. Creature report.
Hey, Dad, what is this little thing?
Oh, what is it?
That's a kangaroo, Wheeze.
Hey, what is this thing?
Let me see. What's what thing? This thing? Is it a weird sheep or something? Maybe it's a goat? I don't know, Bubba.
Hey, Dad, what is this thing? Can you open this?
You want this opened?
Yeah.
Another?
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool doctor kit, Wheeze.
That's it.
Purple sheep.
That's why Santa bring it.
You must have turned around and been a good girl, huh? Oh,
Hey, Dada!
oh, that's cute.
Dada! Open
It's doctor stuff.
Can you get it down, Dada?
Oh, sock dog. She said, I just want to be involved.
Go lay in the corner.
I just want to be involved.
Yeah, you open it.
Are you a bull in a china cabinet? Yeah. Hi, sweet girl. Good morning. You've been a good girl, sock dog.
I did. It's just on the side I got more toys.
Oh, that's it, right? I don't see anything other than that.
He wants more. Does it fit your big noggin?
On the bed head.
Statement of the year right there. She ain't lying though. Get us over to Socky Dog.
Let's see, bud.
Well, you a good girl, Socky Dog. Yeah. It's got a credit card reader.
Mama.
Hey, Bubba. Does that say Merry Christmas?
Yeah.
What? Okay, this is pretty cool. Santa did a good job. Oh, I think he wants some cereal too, Wheeze. You gotta scan it! You gotta scan it! Alright.
There's one more face. The tail touches the starfish.
What? The shark ate the starfish?
No.
It's a mean shark. Starfish are nice.
Hungry shark.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hey, our little shark's nice.
Uh-huh. They say fish are friends, not food. She went and asked me if she can go get her baby doll when I opened her doctor kit so she can work on her baby. This is a massive sisu. Look how big she is. That's nice. Poor sisu. That is so little Adam right there sitting like Gollum.
What? Hey, Mama, this is a mammoth.
What is it?
A mammoth?
What is it?
A magnet.
A magnet? Here, just put it in the cap.
Oh, I put it
Bless you, Bubba.
in the shop.
Okay. Oh, you gonna get a shot, Bubba. All right.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Hey, Dad, do you want to throw up good?
Santa, what have you done? Beans, were you a good girl? Santa brought you something? I think Santa just brings something regardless, huh? Wheeze, I said hold on. That's not hers, that's Saki's stocking. Wheeze, that's for Saki dog. You gonna bring it to her? Come around here. Mm-hmm. Give it to the Saki dog. What'd you get, Saki dog?
I like it.
Go see Dada.
Can I get
Saki ran away.
Can I get my new master one? Ew.
Hold on, Weeze. Let Dada help.
This, Dad.
Ew.
What is
Those are marshmallows. Dada likes those.
Oh.
You're a holder of all the things.
What? What is here? Whoa. I like this. The creeper chicken.
Creeper chicken.
What is it, Weeze?
Love
Gloves? Or Weeze, what is it?
I didn't have a Sleeping Beauty dress.
You didn't have a Sleeping Beauty dress yet?
I didn't.
Look at this little girl loves her dress up. What'd you get, Bob? What is that? What is it?
What? The Steve chicken.
A Steve chicken? What?
Little things are even more funnier. Big chicken.
Do a good twirl for me.
Okay.
Oh, it twirls so good. All right, girls, you ready? Did you get a reindeer? You got a
Saki
reindeer?
dog. Report to your stocking immediately.
Beans, did you get a stocking too? Let's see. Oh, that's for Saki dog. Saki, there's your stocking.
What's this?
Saki said I'll take that too.
Beans put on this one.
What did you get, Saki dog?
You like them? Did you try one yet?
She likes marshmallows. Bean says yes, I want a bite. Look at that tail wag. Did you have a good Christmas? Did Santa spoil you? Yeah? Did Santa spoil you? Oh, sweet girl. Oh, sweet sock dog. She's just over there looking for more snacks. This is a whole vibe right here.
She's trying to logic me that since Santa gave her presents,
She was good all year.
we were wrong and she had been good the whole year. We were wrong.
I don't like that on the couch. Get it, Beans. Get it, Beans. Get it, Beans. You was getting it, Lily. You was getting it, Lily Beans. She thinks you got more snacks for her. That is definitely not a bean snack. You get little Beans? What'd you get? Look at that tail wag. Look at that tail wag right there. She's watching. She's out about to take it as soon as her back is turned. I love how she's just hoarding all the things. You took her stuffy, she's watching. She says that was in my dragon lair. The Beans. I haven't seen you play with a toy in a long time, Lily Bean. What'd y'all get? Toot Toot and Lala brought everyone a Mickey Mouse waffle maker. I think they heard how much this one likes Mickey waffles. Did you eat a lot of Mickey waffles at Disney? Now finally building the Minecraft. We've been waiting all day for this. Girlfriend's got her Merida dress on from her aunt, uncle, and cousin. Like, yeah, I could work for that. Alright guys, that's it for Christmas 2022. Thank you for watching. She's being so sweet. This is rare. Thank you guys for watching. We had a really good Christmas dinner at Aunt Sissa and Uncle Heath's house. Got to visit with relatives I haven't seen them like since before I had kids. So we had a really good time over there just spending time with family. So thank you guys for watching and following along. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, follow along. Bye.